Hello everyone, this is Swati. Welcome to Pabbly. In this video, we are going to see how to send real-time Facebook leads to Discord automatically. Now, you know what is Facebook, right? It is one of the most renowned social media app. And what is Discord? It is a social messaging app, an instant social messaging app. Now, if you are a business person, let's say that you want to promote your business on Facebook, okay? And how are you doing that? Through Facebook lead ads. Now, I am a prospect client and I see your advertisement and I fill in my required details. Now, you have got a lead, you have got my data. What do you want now? That this lead should be shared with your team on Discord so that then they can approach the client and grow the business. This is very important and this can be done manually. But every time you will get a lead, then you will write a message to your team. So, it is going to be time consuming and troublesome. Yes, agree? But what if I tell you that this process can be automated? Yes, right, which means every time there is a new lead generation, automatically a message will be sent to the team and then they can take it forward. Yes, this can be done by integrating these two applications. And how would you integrate these two applications? Using our Pabbly Connect software. And this is one of the easiest software where you do not need any coding skills and you can do it yourself. How would you do that? For this, let me show you my screen and tell you step by step the process. So let us begin with the step-by-step process. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type the URL www.pabbly.com/connect, and as I click enter, here it is going to take me to the Pabbly Connect software's landing page. Now here on the right hand side you can see sign in and sign up for free option. So if you already are the user, you can simply sign in, and if you are a new user, then you can sign up for free, and trust me, it will not take more than 2 minutes. Now I'm going to click on sign in as I am an existing user, and since we are doing this integration using the Pabbly Connect software, so here we are going to click on access now. Now as I do that, it will take me to the dashboard. On the right hand side, you can see a blue tab create workflow. Let's click on this, and as we do that, a dialog box appears that is asking us to name our workflow. Now here I'm going to name it as Facebook lead ads to Discord. Why? Because I'm going to integrate these two applications. So let's click on create. Now as I do this, so it will take me to a different window where you can see two very important events. One is trigger and another one is action. Now triggers and actions are basically two principles on which the entire automation works. Here the first thing that we are going to choose is the trigger. Basically it is the if case when this happens. So here what do I need? I need that every time a new Facebook lead generated through that particular ad, a message should be sent on Discord to my team. Facebook lead ad help businesses generate leads with a simple and safe sign up form already pre-populated with our contact information. So here next that I have to select is trigger event. So what would happen so that we can get a response? So every time there is a new lead and we'll click on new lead instant, then we will get a response. Now I'm going to click on connect. Here Pabbly Connect is asking me to connect Facebook lead ads account with Pabbly Connect. So I'm going to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Now since I have already logged into my Facebook account, the authorization is successful. If you haven't done that, then all you need to do is you have to first log into your Facebook account and then repeat the process, then do this particular process. Now here you can see page, lead generation form and page access token. Basically this is the page that I have already created on my Facebook. I'll show you. So if I go to my Facebook page here, if I click on pages that I manage, so you can see a lot of pages, right? So here I am going to select a page. I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect and here I'm going to select pets, lifestyle and care. So suppose I have to create a page and this is what I have to advertise. Now since this was the only form which was associated with this particular page, so it has automatically been captured. The page access token again is automatically has arrived here, and then I'm going to click on save and send test request. Now as I do that, it is waiting for Webhook response. Now here I have to do a test submission so that the data can be recorded in the webhook response. For this I'm going to go to my Meta for Developers page. Now here I'm going to go to tools, and as I click on tools, then I'll go to lead ads RTO debug tool. Let's click on this, and now here you can see that I have to use this particular tool to test my integration, API integration. So I have to create a test lead form, and then the integration will set up. So here I'm going to choose the page. So what was the page that we had selected on Facebook page? So we had selected pets, lifestyle and care. So let's click on this, and now we are going to preview the form. So let's click on preview. So here you can see that a form has appeared in front of us. Let's fill in the details. So we have written the name as demo name, then the mobile number, and then demo@pabblytuts.com, and let's click on next. And then we have to click on submit here. So as we did that, now let's go and check if this particular response has been received. Now here you can say that the response has been received, demo name, then there's a mobile number and the email address. So here you can see that we have received the response. So we have received the full name, phone number, email address, everything is here. This means that Facebook lead ads has been successfully integrated with Pabbly Connect. So every time there is a new lead generated via Facebook lead ads, so automatically Pabbly Connect would capture the details. The next step is to choose our action step. So what do we want? We want that every time there is a new Facebook lead, it should it should get captured and a message should be sent to Discord. So I'm going to choose my next application as Discord here. Let's click on Discord. And now I have to select an action event. So let's select the event as send channel message markdown and click on connect. Now here the connection has been created since I had already logged into my Discord account as well. Now what do we need here? A webhook URL. To find this webhook URL, we have to go to our Discord account. Now this is my landing page. Here on the left hand side you can see integration. So we'll click on integration and then we'll click on settings. Then we have to find this integration part and then click on this. Now here you can see webhooks. So let's click on this and then finally click on new webhook. Now we are going to create a new webhook here. Let's name it as webhook new 101. And then I'm going to save the changes and copy this webhook URL. So as I go back to my Pabbly Connect page, here let's copy this URL. The next step is we have to write a message. So this particular message will be shared with our team on Discord. So let's write, hello team, we have received the following lead from Facebook leads account. Okay, details are, so let's say I need the name, contact number, and then I need the email ID. Okay, so these are the three things that I need. I'm going to map this data. What is mapping? Basically, mapping means when this integration happened between Pabbly Connect and Facebook Leads account, so all the details were captured by Pabbly Connect. Now, when I'm again integrating it with Discord, I need the same information and I'm going to take it from the response received. So here I'm going to click on just in front of name, and now I'm going to map this data, which means get the response. So here let's go demo name. Next thing is contact number. So again we are going to map the data, come down, and here's the contact number. Then we have the email address, and as we go down, this is the email address. Yeah, received. Let's finish our message by saying all the best, happy hunting. And this is our message. Now as I come down here, you can see save and send test request. I'll click on this and let's see if we have received the response. Yes, the application has processed. Now I'm going to go to my Discord account and check if I have received this message. So here you can see, hello team, we have received the following lead from Facebook leads account. Details are this. All the best. Happy hunting. So this means that the integration has been successful. I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. From Facebook leads account, details are this. All the best. Happy hunting. So this means that the integration has been successful. I'm going to go back to Pabbly Connect. This is just a two-step integration process. In the first part, we had integrated Facebook lead ads with Pabbly Connect, where we had chosen our trigger event as new lead instant. Then we had connected the two, and once the connection was set up, then we had created a test form. The details were captured, and then finally we had integrated the same to Discord. Here we had selected our action event as send channel message markdown, and then the connection was made. And finally, we have shared the message and we had received the message on Discord. I hope you're clear with this. In case of any doubt, do not worry. You can simply refer to the workflow which is given in the description box. You can even clone this workflow and begin with the process. This is just a one-time setup. You do not have to do this again and again. So once you have connected it with Pabbly Connect and this integration process has been successful, then every time there is a new lead, you will automatically receive a message. A message will be sent on Discord. So do not worry, do not have to do this setup again and again. I hope I'm clear. In case of any other doubt, you can always write to us.